Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add layer in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut. So here you can see I added a clip. So then you need to click on adjustment and click on custom adjustment and click on the plus icon. And now you can see that a layer will be added. You can make it bigger or smaller. It is up to you. So once here you can see that you can make editing in that as well. So you can increase the temperature like this, hue and saturation, but if you turn off from here it will only apply on to the adjustment layer, as you can see. So this is the process how you can add layer in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.